I work a lot with people who have knee replacements and hip replacements, and so I prehab them and rehab them. And so when we've in a situation where we need a joint replacement, there's been wear and tear, right? So it's like we've been walking with a pattern that's wearing and tearing on that part of the body. Therefore, it needs to be replaced. Now, what if that person then gets that surgery and then continues on their new knee or hip the same way? Okay. So we haven't solved anything. So even though arthritis is a structural issue, if we can change the way the body is transferring load, if we can change the way muscles are taking out some of that compression on the joint, if we can improve core stability, which is the byproduct of the somatic work, the somatic panticulations, can you see how the body will still have the condition of arthritis, but the overall experience of it might be just that much better because we're bringing that much more congruency into how the body is working. Because ultimately, with somatic practices, we want to bring back a functional walking pattern, because a walking pattern is indicative of the overall function of the entire organism, the whole body. And so, by establishing a better walking pattern, we're taking away those pressure points. So on a very practical level, that's one of the reasons why somatics itself is so important.